Hey beauty. Hey beauties, it's me Evie, and I have a Ipsy. It's the Boxycharm with Ipsy, and we're gonna jump right into this today. I was pretty excited for Boxy to come this month. I needed some things, and I was hoping they'd be in the box. We will see. So we got our little paper. It says rewrite the rules, and it says wear too much blush, make the first move, get a mismatched man this month, march to your own beauty beat with botanical skincare, must have makeup, and a natural inspired palette from women-led brands who inspire us to rewrite the rules every day. Rewrite the rules. That's what I love to do, right? So this box comes to you monthly to your door, and it has so many things in it that you can use in your everyday makeup or skincare regimens. I've been so blessed. This is Boxycharm, this is Boxycharm, so it is 5 full-size items. Subscribe if you are a regular subscriber. You get 3 products that you can choose, or you don't have to. The box itself, every time you get this box, will be worth up to $200 in retail value. Like, what? And it's only $30 a month. So that is so worth it. You don't even. Most of the time, you couldn't even get one product. So we're just gonna take them out of the box. The first thing we have is from Girl Actic. It is a fruit superfood sugar face scrub. I need a face scrub. I really, really do. My face has not been good. So the directions of this is apply the fruit superfood scrub on your face in light upward and outward circles to clean or damp skin. Just clean circles to clean or damp skin. Okay, we're going to reread this again because what? Okay, so apply the fruit superfood scrub on your face and in light upward and outward circles to clean or damp skin. Leave on for 3 to 5 minutes. Rinse well with warm water and pat dry. Use twice a week and avoid eyes. So this is so pretty. The packaging. Just love a pretty package. Y'all know I say that over and over. Let's see. Oh, it smells so good. Can y'all see that? Oh, I can't wait to use that. I am using that tonight. I'm so excited about that. The next thing we have is some what looks like lime brushes. I'll try to get them out. We have 3, and it looks like concealer. What do they say they are? So this is contour bronzing brush. I like that size. That size actually works really good. So this is going to be a round blusher brush. That's too small for me. I like a big round brush. And this is a blending brush. I can see that. So those are really pretty and they stand out. So you'll be able to grab those very quickly for what you need them for. We have a Wander Beauty Trailblazer palette. That's some gnarly tape on there. They did not want you getting in the package. Jeez. Okay, now that I've destroyed that box. Pretty little pink palette. Oh, wow. So for March, we've got our green shades. I wish I'd opened this beforehand. I would have done a green look. I love it. It's very pretty. So you have 10 shades. They're matte and sparkle mix, which makes a great palette. And it has a pretty decent mirror. This is the Trailblazer palette. I don't really get palettes that have green in them too often, so that's a really nice throw in there. Now what do we have? Ooh, we have a Defiance Beauty by somebody. And this is a liquid eyeliner. Oh, I love the shape. Look at that. That's so cool. Oh, wow. Look at that. How sharp that is. That's really, really cool. I like that a lot. I'll keep that in the packaging because I may not use that, even though I love the packaging. Now, this is from Anastasia. I love Anastasia. Okay, so this is from Anastasia. It is a Lash Sculpt Lengthening Volume Mascara. Oh, I love the packaging of their stuff. It's just so good. Just a straight brush. That's awesome. Definitely be using that. I should have opened the box before last night because I had to send Jeremy out for some mascara. So, anyways, here is our 5 products. And I couldn't be happier, especially with the sugar scrub, because I've been really needing something for exfoliating my skin. So that is the end of our box. I want to thank Boxycharm, By Ipsy 1,000 times because I love your box. I believe in the idea, and the products are always really good. So thank you bunches. Now, if you go look in my description, then you can use my user code and I can have a little bit of a benefit from that. So if you want to help me out, go order you a subscription. Go order you a subscription and let it work for both of us. Okay, remember, you are loved and you are so beautiful. And I will catch you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Love ya.